Hey everybody, it's Hey Jon at Jabber Opportunities Nonstop, and today we're going to cover some AMC, some Dogecoin. It's going to be a great day. AMC is doing phenomenal. I'm glad you guys are enjoying AMC today. If you're an AMC ape, I bet you are on the moon. I bet you are ecstatic, as you should be. So it's always interesting to see how the markets give you FUD information, right? Very interesting to see. But here we are, seeing the apes continue to hold and therefore continuing to make that moolahs. So I'm very happy for the folks who decide to hold on to their AMC shares. I know it's very scary. I know it's very risky. But I guess, as they say, high risk, high reward. And the folks are being rewarded right now. So that's fantastic. That is great news. So let's go ahead and get to it now. What's going on here? Huh. Interesting. Not too sure why it's doing that, but oh well. Okay. Well, anyways, let's get to it now. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty then. So AMC, let's see where the market was this morning here, right? Let's go ahead and go into a daily here. Let's make it bigger real quick so we can see what's going on. On the daily here, let's zoom in. What's doing that? Is our screen acting up here, huh? Very interesting to see the screen acting up. So now, here we go. It's reloaded now. Okay. All right. Okay, so today is June 14, 2021, and we're seeing literally, we are literally seeing AMC run up right now. That's fantastic to see that. Definitely still on the upward trend line here for the most part. So very, very bullish in a short term. However, though, this is a very sharp uptrend line here. So if they can keep it, fantastic. If they can't, well, just be careful and watch out for it. All right, we're seeing a new moon here. Usually a new moon means a bearish sign, but overall, though, it seems to not matter here. So this technical doesn't matter as much. Alrighty then, so. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the 1 hour time frame. Let's see the 1 hour time frame now. We're seeing a nice chug up here, right? But the funny thing is that this morning opened up kind of a little weak, and then it saw a strong, fancy movement to the upside here. So that's very, very good to see that. And the whole day, it consolidated on the upside right there. So we did see some weakness anywhere above 58.11 up to about $60. We saw some weakness for AMC, but overall though did very well. So tomorrow it could possibly continue this uptrend here. So if you're an AMC bull, well, you must be doing phenomenal right now. I wish you nothing but the best. Currently we're seeing a possible cup right here. Around here, a possible cup. Maybe possible cup and handle on the 1 hour time frame. As you know, there's a little shorter time from here. It is as long, so definitely going to need to watch at if you're an AMC holder here. Okay, so again, current resistance is around $60.50. If the bulls can break that, then they're definitely gonna go higher. How much higher? Well, the next resistance is gonna be at around $73. So that'll be where you want to watch out for if you're an AMC holder. Okay, so I covered that. Let's go ahead and go into Dogecoin now, baby, because we're all here. Well, we're all about the Dogecoin right here, right? We're all about the Dogecoin. Let's see here. Whoops, it's loading real quick. All right, let's go ahead and go to a daily here for a Dogecoin. Alrighty then. So, oops. Let's see here. Okay, so currently Dogecoin is still trending a little bit down. We're trading into a lull here, right? And I said the last time we saw a lull here, about two days and 16 hours, we saw a news catalyst for the previous downtrend, and then we started rocketing up here. So the only question is, can we rocket past 44.8? If we can do that, then that's a very bullish sign for Dogecoin. However, if we cannot, then I think Dogecoin is having a bigger problem. As you know, there has been some new bearish news occurring for Dogecoin. So even though Bitcoin is doing well, there has been some controversy for Dogecoin, and therefore you're seeing Dogecoin showing more weakness compared to Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and do a chart to chart comparison here to show you guys what I'm talking about, so you can clearly see that even though Dogecoin follows Bitcoin, we're seeing a lag in the following here. So Dogecoin is showing some weakness in their following of Bitcoin. Let me show you guys real quick here what I mean, and then we can move on. All right, why isn't it pulling it up? I don't know. Alrighty then, so this is what I mean. So we can see that there's a clear difference in the graph, in the trend here, right? So you're seeing Bitcoin trade into a lull here, right? So currently Bitcoin is up to the upper portion of their trend, and yet Dogecoin is at the lower end of their trend. So Bitcoin and Dogecoin, even though they follow each other, it's not a 1-to-1 anymore. I would say it's maybe a 2-to-1 now. So as Bitcoin increases more and more, Dogecoin lags behind it. So that's not a good thing. Of course, if you're a Dogecoin holder, that is not a good thing, right? And the reason for that is because there are a plethora of reasons for that. And currently, from a chart perspective here, we are seeing a sort of almost a inverse relationship occurring between Bitcoin and Dogecoin here. So I showed you that. Let's go back into Dogecoin now. Let's get into it a little deeper into the lower time frame to see what's going on. Alrighty then, so on the daily here, Dogecoin is still bullish because it's still above the Agora reaction ribbon here, right? So I suspect that if we do dip right around 24 cents, that's going to be a very strong support in the short term. However, though, are we going to get there? I don't think so. I mean, could it happen? Sure. Just things to be aware of here. I did make a call out saying that we could potentially see a flash crash this weekend. However, that did not occur due to the fact of Elon Musk and Tesla resuming their acceptance of Bitcoin, assuming they have a 50% green energy clause. So that was kind of bullish for Bitcoin, very bullish for Bitcoin, mediocre for Dogecoin. I suspect the reason why we are seeing that is due to Elon Musk messing with the Bitcoin bulls. So they may not be as willing to go back to Dogecoin. And I think, in my opinion, that's one of the effects here when Elon Musk sort of bashes Bitcoin, right? So so you're kind of seeing a community difference here. And as you know, cryptocurrency is a market where they usually commingle. And usually cryptocurrency is a market where the different coins commingle with each other. So when you bash another coin here, right, and now you are in this other coin here, coin A and coin B. Well, this means that the coin A that you bashed, well, they may not be willing to go back to coin B to reinvest into it when you see dip buying opportunities. So just food for thought. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into the 4-hour perspective now and see what's going on in the 4-hour here. So in the 4-hour here, you can see So in the 4-hour here, you can see Dogecoin literally hugging at the 3288 resistance line there. It's literally hugging it. Can it break out of it? Sure. But the thing is that the more and more we hug it, and if we don't break out of it, well then that's gonna be an ascending triangle, and usually an ascending triangle is a bearish sign, and that means you're gonna pull back and come back down. So of course I'm still a long-term Dogecoin bull. I'm still a long-term Elon Musk fanboy. I do believe Elon Musk can turn the tides for Dogecoin, but he's going to need to do some reprimands and some working with the Bitcoin bulls in order to achieve that goal for us Dogecoin retailers. So assuming Elon Musk can do that for us and help us out, then you know what, Dogecoin is gonna do phenomenal. However, in the meantime, we're gonna see Dogecoin continue to trade into a low, even though Bitcoin is rising quite a bit. So I mean, obviously that isn't bullish news, but you know what, it be what it be right here, right? I'm here to give you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. Whether or not Dogecoin is rocketing, whether or not Dogecoin is sinking, I still live stream, you know, to give you guys this information, because I believe in Dogecoin a lot, because I believe in Dogecoin very much, and I believe in the message and the cause here, and I believe in live streaming this to give you guys this information, and hopefully you guys appreciate that. If you do, please smash the like button because it helps out my video very much, and you'll be supporting my channel. And please make sure you subscribe as well, so you get notifications when I drop these hits. So let's go back into the charts now. So on the 4-hour perspective here, we are hugging that 3289 resistance. Let's see if we can make it into a support here. And also another bullish sign we're seeing here is that even though we're seeing the Agora reaction ribbon still trend down for the most part, but the velocity is slowing down and it's starting to flatline. So when that flatlines, well, currently it isn't flatlining, but it's heading towards the direction of flatlining. So that's a very good thing. That means the bulls are slowly but surely starting to take control. Let's go ahead and go into the hourly here. So on the hourly, we can see that, you know, we're hugging it pretty much very, very closely here, around 3289 here. We're just hugging it like a mug here for the most part right here. So, and currently we are starting to break into it and break out of it. When you see into the hour perspective where it's kind of more zoomed in, you get a more microscopic view here. So currently we're starting to rocket into it and break out of it. And I think as a Dogecoin bull, that is phenomenal, and that is what you want to see. So of course, if we can break out of 3289 with some poise and strength, then that means 39 cents will be the next resistance. So that's definitely what I see currently. And Dogecoin is struggling to break out of it, but you know what? This is a very good sign because Dogecoin is still trying to get through it, right? It'll be very bearish here if Dogecoin pops up and pulls back hard, you know, but currently we aren't seeing that. And on the hourly perspective here, we're seeing Dogecoin flatline for the Agora ribbon here. So this tells me that the bulls are starting to take control. So currently we're seeing the Dogecoin bulls build into a low currently, and I would say if you are looking for a dip, well, the dip is here, and I suspect the dip won't be here for very long. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna start rising and going back to the moon. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute perspective here. So on the 15-minute here, it's even more bullish. Right here, you can see the Agora reaction ribbon is starting to trend up, and it dipped back. It pulled back twice into the Agora ribbon here, and then it popped back up almost immediately. So this tells me that the bulls are starting to show some strength here, and this is a very good thing. You want to see that strength being showed, okay? And we're seeing it, and I like it. So let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going here. So let me go ahead and go and check into the blockchain here. This is data that I pay for, and I give to you guys for free here. So please do me a huge favor by just making sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. All right, let's see here. Let's see where are the bag holders at. Looking into the blockchain data here for the most part. Okay. All right, and where are the bag holders? Well, currently the bag holders are around 318 all the way up to 328. So you're seeing about a about a 1 cent spread for the most part. Currently they have about 6.25 billion Dogecoin with about 125,000 individuals. That is a lot of people here, and in my opinion, this is a very strong support, because every day we are trading in this lull here. More and more people are piling in. So if you're waiting for a dip here, well, you know what? I don't give financial advice, but I would say the dip is already here. Sooner rather than later, right? Sooner rather than 1 second here. Sooner rather than later, this price may go away and it may never come back. Obviously, this is not a guarantee. This is purely based on my opinion, because I'm seeing this number here keep on increasing in terms of number of individuals. So to me, this tells me people are actually buying the dip here and they're accumulating currently, and that is phenomenal. So again, I want to emphasize, if you're on the sidelines and you're saying, you know what, I want a very good price, I would say look into this range of 318 to 328. In my opinion, I would say that in my opinion, I would say that's a good place to look into for research of where you want to look into for a price dip. Okay, so as far as resistance goes, there is resistance everywhere, but they're all pretty weak in my opinion. So today I won't really get into that, all right? Because they're all very weak. So this tells me that all you gotta do if you're a bull is that you gotta buy this ish up, and we can start rocketing to the moon. Okay. So today I will be ending the live stream here. If you want to see AMC, or if you want to see the Dogecoin technical analysis, all you gotta do is reverse and you can catch all the stuff I already said already. So thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will catch you all in the next one. And make sure you hit that notification bell. That notification bell, so when I go live, you get a signal that I'm here and you can catch it live here. So take care and goodbye, and most importantly,